This video will guide you through the installation of an aluminium stair balustrade on level deck surfaces. Read installation instructions thoroughly before proceeding with assembly. Prior to starting an installation of any aluminium railing project, ensure you have the proper tools and safety protection. We recommend the following tools: appropriate fasteners for mounting posts to deck surface, cordless drill, pencil, safety glasses, Mitre saw with non-ferrous blade, level, tape measure, number 2 square drive bit, 5mm drill bit. Important notes. Maximum post spans on stair railing applications is 1,730mm on centre. Stair railing panels are shipped at a 37-degree angle. Panels are adjustable and will accommodate 30 to 40 degree stair angles. Caution: over-adjusting stair panels will cause loose and rattling pickets. Using 2 posts at top of stairs is recommended if compound angle cut is required. For the most recent installation instructions, please visit our website at www.ultraloxrail.com.au. Prior to construction, check with your local regulatory agency for special code requirements in your area. Common residential stair balustrade height is 1,050mm. Stair post spans should never exceed 1,730mm on centre. For all other applications, consult a design professional or an Ultralox representative for more information. Let's get started. First, we'll plan out and install the 75mm by 75mm posts. Note: rail clip jigs are only used for level balustrades and do not work for proper stair balustrade installation. For stair applications, lower rail clip placement will be measured after posts are installed. Install proper post blocking under each screw location. With 5mm drill bit, pre-drill through stair boards and into blocking. If post cap lighting will be installed, drill a 16mm hole in the centre of the 4 deck screw holes to feed lighting wires. Note: if installing post lighting, wiring must be installed prior to securing posts to deck or stair surface and installing top rail snaps. Level and plumb posts using shims. For residential applications, secure posts to deck surface with 10mm by 150mm exterior construction lag screws. Do not install post caps and 2-piece base plate covers until all balustrades are installed. Temporarily install bottom stair posts so rail centerline aligns with top stair posts installed. Recommended post installation locations are as shown. Position the post on the same 75mm by 75mm centerline and temporarily fasten using a single fastener through baseplate mounting hole. Now we'll install the pre-assembled stair balustrade. Position the stair balustrade alongside 75mm by 75mm top stair post and temporarily installed 75mm by 75mm bottom post. Position the balustrade approximately 45mm above stair nosing. A helpful tip is to lay a timber on the nose of stair treads. This will allow enough room for installation of bottom snap. Clamp the stair balustrade against top and bottom 75 by 75mm posts and mark the stair channels at all 4 locations with a sharp number 2 pencil. If using a continuous handrail, after balustrade has been clamped to post, mark cut lines on the H channel and the 50mm by 50mm post using the bottom of the H channel to find your angle for post cut. Remove the clamps and cut the stair balustrade at all 4 locations, taking care to match the appropriate stair angle. Use of Mitre saw with a sharp, non-ferrous blade is recommended. Clean cut areas and apply touch-up paint on all exposed ends. After the stair balustrade has been cut to proper size and angle, place the balustrade on the timber or hold 45mm above stair nosing between the 75mm by 75mm posts. Use a sharp No. 2 pencil to draw a line across the top of the lower baluster channel in 2 places. Remove the balustrade and bottom post, then attach the stair balustrade attach clips at marked location and fasten with No. 8 by 20mm self-drilling screws. Once the stair balustrade attach clips have been installed, reattach the lower 75mm by 75mm post to the bottom step or landing. Then place the stair balustrade onto the lower stair balustrade attach clips. After the lower extrusion is fully seated on the lower clips, insert the stair balustrade attach clips into upper extrusion. Secure the attach clips to the post with 2 No. 8 by 20mm self-drilling screws. Then secure the upper extrusion to the stair balustrade attach clip with 2 No. 8 by 20mm self-drilling screws. Repeat this same procedure for the upper extrusion of the lower post. When upper extrusion is secured to both attach clips, secure lower extrusion to lower stair clips with 2 No. 8 by 20mm self-drilling screws on both posts. Following the same angle as the secured stair balustrade, clamp or hold the top and bottom rail snaps against 75mm by 75mm posts. Using a sharp No. 2 pencil, mark them at all 4 locations. Remove the clamps and cut the top and bottom rail snaps at all 4 locations, taking care to match the appropriate stair angle. Use of Mitre saw with a sharp, non-ferrous blade is recommended. Cut 2mm less than opening size. Clean cut areas and apply touch-up paint on exposed ends. Snap each rail snap over the corresponding rail channel until properly seated. The snap covers should snap firmly onto the aluminium balustrade channels. Do not use a hammer. The top rails will snap by applying pressure from one end to the other. If you're having issues snapping on the covers, check the clips to ensure that they are bottomed out into the aluminium balustrade channels. DDA handrail may be required for residential deck installations. Check with local building code official. See Ultralox Disabled Access Handrail Installation Instructions for all installation configurations. Lastly, install the post caps and 2-piece baseplate covers on all posts. Thank you for watching this video.